Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. What you're looking at, of course, is the Lionel 1033 transformer. And these things are expensive, which is why I don't use Lionel transformers. I got this one on eBay really cheap. That's the only reason I have it, and it's in really decent condition, as you see. But these are much less expensive. All of these were less than $10 each. These are American Flyer 4B 100 watt. This is a 1033 90 watt. Anyway, been experimenting with the new magnetic lock-on, and it's really interesting. Without disturbing any of the wiring, I can power any of the trains independently on the rails, just by using the magnetic lock-on. So the outside rail, you can just slide this under, as you see, and you have power to the track. So it makes an excellent connection. And with my experiments, it seems to be as good as a soldered connection. So you can just go track to track and stick this thing on the rail without having to muck around with a lock-on or soldered wires. So the second rail, which is a Lionel engine, and you can just go rail to rail, powering every train you have. So this thing works. It works really, really well. It's really simple. It's efficient. It doesn't even get hot. I mean, these things are cold. They're still cold to the touch. And the nice thing about them, of course, is you don't have to mess around with a lock-on. They just stick to the rail. And the spacing is always preset, as you see. And it's just really easy to use this. And the nice thing about it, of course, is you can go to the outside rail for a change if you want to, and see which one gives you the best performance, whether it's this one or this one. Yes, they're tied together, but even so, you'll see a profound difference sometimes going to a different rail. So just wanted to do a quick video follow-up on these lock-ons. And this is just zip cord from Ace Hardware. And I put several wraps of tape around it and a wire tie just to stiffen it right there. As you see, that way it's always in this orientation. And you can just slide it under a rail and you're instantly connected. And you have full power to the track. You can see there's no loss of power at all. So it works as good as any mechanical lock-on. And the nice thing about it, of course, is there's no physical connection to the track. It's just magnets. But it works well. It's really efficient. It's really, really simple. You can't break it. It's never going to wear out. And it always works. A blind man could use it. Anyway, I just wanted to do a video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.